Hey everyone, I will show you how to add multiple links on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app, go to your profile and tap the edit profile, then tap the add link. Now you can add the external link, then tap the add external link, add the URL and tap any title. Now you can add the 5 links. Now tap again add external link, add the link and title. Then tap the tick on the top right. If you don't want to add any title, then tap the tick and the link will be pasted. Go back. Now you can see the link shows in my bio.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.